Craving a Sammy? Curry up, coming up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovich. Thank you for joining us. You have got to try this easy but very delicious curried chicken salad with apple. Not only is it quick to make, but in no time you're going to be able to use it to fill and create a favorite sandwich. Now, talking about favorites, we've got tons of favorites on our website. After watching this video, head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website. We also have additional content on our dedicated YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to it as well. And then finally, we're pretty socially inclined here at Weekend at the Cottage, so find us on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, let's get into this recipe. Here's a photo of the ingredients you're gonna need. I bet you already have most of those ingredients on hand, which is a good thing because you're gonna be able to make this salad in record time. We're taking a medium-sized bowl. First ingredient is chicken. Very finely diced, bite-sized pieces. I love this recipe because I'm using leftover chicken, which is really great. Place the chicken into the bowl, and now it's time to add some wonderful flavor enhancements. I have one Honeycrisp apple. I diced it very fine as well. It goes into the bowl. I have 1 cup of diced celery, 2 scallions, finely chopped. Sometimes when making recipes, I have difficulty making decisions. In this case, it was raisins. I couldn't decide. So in this salad, I'm calling for a 1/4 cup of sultanas. A pop of color comes from a 1/4 cup of yellow raisins. Okay, this recipe would be nothing without curry powder. I want you to use your favorite. It's about the fragrance, the color, and the flavor. I'm calling for 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Feel free to add a little bit more if you want a more robust flavor. I'm sprinkling the curry on top of the bowl, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped parsley. The reason this curry chicken salad works so well in a sandwich application is because it's very creamy, and that comes from 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Add the mayonnaise into the bowl. We're gonna give everything a stir. Notice the color change from the curry. This is fabulous. Now, if you'd like, you can add an additional 1/4 cup of mayo. If you want it to be a bit more creamy, just stir that in. Grab a small spoon, take a taste. Pretty fabulous, right? Last thing you can do is adjust seasoning with salt and pepper if you wish. Now what? Well, that's up to you. You gotta make a sandwich, right? White or whole wheat bread, a little bit of butter, add the chicken salad, cut it in half. Perfect lunch for school or work. Going on a road trip, take a flour tortilla, wrap it up. Hopefully you're getting the idea. This curried chicken salad with apple is an ultimate sandwich filler. All you gotta do is make it. And then after that, you're gonna be just like me. Kick back and enjoy. Perfect. Yeah.